pageants like Femina, Miss India, Goa, per se, it gives you an opportunity to, transform yourself. The moment you are, in that top 10 or top 5 in that pageant, for example, it winner is obviously there is one winner, but then again also it transforms a lot of lives of other people as well. You are one such case study for me. And more importantly, I would like to ask you is, how has this pageant, more importantly, transformed you as an individual to a brand per se?
Wow. Okay. So now that I've started my own academy, I have my own talent house, and I also have 2 international franchisees that I've taken for beauty pageants. Uh, it didn't just come overnight again. I still remember when I was sitting with the team of Miss India, and I told them that I feel so good. This was after the finale. I told them I feel so good about myself, and they're like, Audrey, this is what pageants do to you. You are, after that pageant, you're so confident because you've now seen and proved yourself on that platform. Where now you know that whatever you do from here is you have to really work hard towards it, and you will try to achieve that. And that's what I did. When they asked me also that, do you want to get into movies, or because they also have a talent house, so they obviously get their talents to do movies or ads or whatever. I said, no, I think I'm good with what I'm doing. I genuinely wanted to do something for people. And I'm telling you, pageants and this industry has, I've been very grateful to be a part of this, because it has changed me as a person. I'm more confident, I'm more out there, and today if I'm doing something for people, I give it all to this industry. I'll be very honest.